Hey, what's up, family? What's up, friends? This is Yo G back at you, coming from the office with a video that has my top three picks for this week, or top three stocks that I'm gonna be watching for potential option plays and potential money making opportunities. Earlier, I put out a video on how to not lose money. Tonight, this video, watch this before market opens, and you can make money tomorrow. So, with that being said, anything you decide to do with your money, consult your broker because with trading and investing carries risk. And with that risk, you can lose money. But if you take educated risk, you can make money. So, if you want some help with that educated risk, check me out right here. We're going to look at Meta. Meta is uh, number one on my top watch list as broke out on Metaverse News. Meta broke out on this Metaverse News and went from opening, went pre-market is when it took off and opened at 662. I put Meta on the radar as a top watch as being in the buy zone down way down at 585 when Meta came back down to 585 last week. So Meadow came down to 585 when the market was going down and was a great opportunity to buy then. Now, since it did bounce and got that pop on Metaverse News, if Meta retest 662, then I'm gonna look for Meta retest 662 for a move back up to the high side, potentially 670, 680, 690 on its way back over the 700 range. If Meta takes off from where it's at now and can get through and maybe consolidate in the area that it's in now in the 670, 675 area and get finally above 678, then I'm going to look for meta calls over 678, potentially going to 690, 700. So put meta on your radar, and if it does, if it breaks out, or even if it retests where it broke out from, it'll be an opportunity to make some money. Next, we're going to talk about Nvda. Nvidia has been basing over here under 184 for the last four weeks practically. So if Nvidia can reclaim this 184 area, which was the high Friday, 184.66 was the high Friday. If Nvidia can get back above 184 and begin its way back up, I'm gonna look at it to come back to 184.50, and then I'm gonna start looking for it for 190 next. So if Nvidia can get over, let's just say 185, then I'm gonna look for a 190 call for next week. So put Nvidia on your radar for possible money making opportunity also. And finally, we're gonna talk about Tesla. Tesla's been back on fire the last couple of sessions. It's rallied higher, back over 455 as you saw, and went as high as 458 after opening at 453. Went down to 451, got a bounce right back up. So you see the levels right here. I had the fib levels on it Friday actually as I am in this play still coming through the coming weeks. So I have a contract that expires on the 12th or the 19th, I believe, coming up this week. So I believe that it's going to continue to make moves, and if it does, if you can get back over 458, this 458 area. Of course, I always look at where it closed, and I needed to get a little bit over 458 so that I can get confirmation. And if it does, I'm gonna look for it to get to 467 next on its next leg up. Excuse me for all this extra. Anyway, boom. That's what I was trying to do. So if we can get through this 458, I'm looking for this right here next 465.84. So keep this on your radar because this is while Meta and Meta's top watch, Nvidia for my comeback. Tesla's already on the move, so this is my main watch. So put Tesla on your radar. We can get through 458, and like I said, 467 is next. So I'll be looking for the 465, 1219, 465 calls if it can get through 468. So those are my three plays. Uh, just put them on your radar, keep them on your watch list, and if you miss this opportunity, there's going to be plenty more. There's always going to be opportunities in the market, and I'm going to be on them every day. So if I can bring some opportunities to you, some value to you, or even some money to you, then consider hitting that like button, subscribe, join the team. As I grow, and as as your account grows, and we take this journey together. Then, with that being said, I'm gonna holler at you. Peace.